Hello everybody, welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson we know how to create an animated loading page like the following, which is a text bar or a smoking text like this. The code of this lesson will be linked in this video description, and let's go to the code and see what we have. First of all, we need to create an empty HTML and empty CSS file. I'll see here HTML, I will see loading 21, and I will see also style sheet. I'll see, I'll call it style. Great. Let's link those files together. Let's see here link, and then I will say href is style and type text and style sheet. Great. Now I'll create over here the elements I have. I will create two divs and spans. So the first div will control the position. I will say class center, so it will control the position of the content to be in the middle of the screen. The second would be the another div which would control the loading. I will say class, and over here I will say load. Okay, so it will control the loading of the elements inside this, which would be a span. So we will create a spans as much as we need. So we have design, so DESIGN and two dots. Great. Let's create the text over here. I will see here DESIGN and the dots, we have it. Okay, now we will go to the style, and I'll create here body. The padding and the margin would be overwriting the default, which would be 0, and the margin would be also 0. The background, you could choose a background color. Okay, you could choose, for example, this color, and I'll go ahead and say the center, so which can control the position. I'll say position is absolute, and from top 50% means I need the content to be in the middle, and the left I need to be also 50%. Also we have the transform to be translate -50%, comma -50%. Great. Now I'll go to the class load, which is the span inside it, which we will say that we need the the position and the color and so on. So I'll see the position is relative, the color is white, the font family we could say Tahoma, which is okay, not it's greater than the default, and we will see font weight, it would be bolder. Okay, and we have the letter spacing, which would be let's see 10 or 9, I would say 12 pixel, and we have the font size. Let's say font size would be 40 pixel, and we have the last element, which would be the animation, which would be animate, and let's see 3 seconds, linear, infinite. Great. Then I'll create the keyframe. We have it here. I will see keyframe. The keyframes, which is for the anim, I need from 0% to do the following, which would be the blur, which would be in the filter. I'll say filter, blur, and here I will put the value. I need to be 0 at the middle, and at the beginning, and then would increase in the second step only. So here it would be 40, and I need it to be here 20, or let's see 18 pixel, and here it would be 80. Here it would be also 100, which is the last. So it will change only at that point. So let's double click the element over here and see the result. Wait just for loading. Here we are. All the text will be loading. Okay, so to control the all text loading, we could control it with delaying. I will delay the elements. I will say the load, the span inside load, and the parent, the child of that element, the first child. I need to change the delay. I'll say animation delay, and we will say for example, it starts from 0 seconds, and we will increase it so on. First, now we will change the second, and here it will be, we'll increase it, for example, with 3 parts of seconds. So I will say it will be 0.3. So let's duplicate this with the number of letters we have. So we have D, E, S, I, G, N, then the 2 dots. I'll see here 3, here's 4, the 5th, the 6th element, and here we have the 7th. I think we still have 1, but we will see. So here we'll see 3, here's 6, here's 9, here's I think it would be 1.2, 1.5, and here is 1.8. Great. Let's save it and refresh. Okay, look, I'm in the last dot. We haven't added its animation, its delay. So I will say animation delay for the 8th element, and we will say it would be 2.1. So it could be increased with 3. Save it. Now refresh. Great, now it's working as we have suggested. So this was the lesson. Thanks for listening and watching, and see you again. Bye for now.